So hello friends, so today we are solving this question, merge strings alternately. So in this problem question we are given two words, okay, word 1 and word 2, and we have to merge this word in alternating order. For an example, here we can see that first I will merge A of word 1, then I will merge P of word 2. Now in case of I have some extra word in any of the word 1 or word 2, then for example I will merge A, then I will merge P. At the end of the word I will add remaining words, for example RS. Here we can see RS. Okay, so this is a problem statement. Now let's start with the question. Now let's start with the solution. So what we have to do here is, first we have to merge the words alternate order in alternate order, correct? So what we will do is we will start our for loop from start, and we will create our new string variable. In new string variable we will start adding the word 1. First we will add word 1 of its character word 1, and then we will add new string and then word 2 character. So this is our first problem solution. Now it will work from this test case, but in case of this one it will not work. Why? Because there are some extra words here and the length is different. So what we will do here, we will create a max length variable here. So what is the maximum length of these two variables? It is 4. Okay, so maximum length is 4. So now we will run our loop till length 4. Okay, I is smaller than 4. Now this one is done, but we have to include our if can handle this case. In case variable is small, we can't add. If we do, it will throw an error, correct, in word 1. So what we will do, we will write an if condition here, that if I is smaller than n, which is n and m, n is the length of word 1 and m is the length of word 2. In this case, if it is smaller, then only we are gonna merge this new string. Okay, so now let's start writing code. So we will take two words n and m, which will have the length of word 1 and length of word 2. Now next we need a new string variable to store the string. Next we will take max length for max length variable. So max dot max and comma n. Now we will run our for loop. Let I equal to 0 and I is smaller than max length I plus plus. To handle the length of the array, we will do I is smaller than n. If it is smaller than n, which means word 1 has some characters left, we will add it in our new string. So word 1 5. Now second, we will check for same for word 2 as well. New string word 2 and I. And in the end of the array, we will return our new string. Yep, it is worked fine. Now let's submit it. And yes, it is working fine. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.